By lens card. This is the package. I get it. I opened it. Box is this nature friendly, but outer box is stupid plastic. So the packaging like this. I was expecting a lot. This is the one box. I have it, and then this. When I get this box only, I'm not having anything else, only these things. Here I am not having the cable. When I got the box, immediately I informed to lens card. It's been 1 month, still I didn't get the charger cable. Okay, now next is this one. You can charge very well this one as a charger. Maybe you consider this as a 300 rupees power bank. Okay, now this pet, the lens quality is low, and then if you charge this once, you can wear it by turning on this button for next 2-3 hours. Whatever they are predicting 8 hours and all with AI and all, that is total shit. You don't get it. For this one, when I get the product, immediately first day when unboxing only, I informed to lens card. I didn't get the cable here or here, anywhere. But still now it's been 1 month. I received it on last month 22nd. Now I'm on this August. I was in July, now it's in August. But still keep getting the response like check the lower layer, upper layer, this kind of stupid idiotic shit statements. This is how lens card is cheating everybody. But we should not let this, we should take it in a different level. We should lead this to a different level and show those bastards how this cheating should be stopped. Okay, more than that, they don't have any policy like the device is having damage or issue, not damage, non-productive, as it is describing. They don't have any policy. They keep saying they have policy. They are more than constitution. They can cheat anybody. Okay, so this is what overall shit. So we paid $22,000 hard-earned money, but those idiots, they are trying to think like they don't have return, they don't have anything. So let's show them. I already filed this in the consumer court. We'll show those. Okay, this is the video for the even responding to those idiots. Already this kind of video I already explained more than 6 videos or 6 times, but still they are asking like just like a stupid. This is for once again for those stupid idiots, and for the common people, don't get fooled for these lens cards. Stupid. B by lens card. B for Bakra. They are making people Bakra by lens card. Remember, this is what happened. For all these complaints, I am raising, I called multiple times, hours of calls. Every time they simply drag it and all stupid tricks. Even though over the email, new person comes, sir, I don't know anything, this is first time I'm hearing, you should explain each and everything from starting shit nonsense. Then once after explaining everything, okay, they will say, they'll call us back. Usually they don't call back. Even if you force by email and something, they'll call back and they'll give missed call. First stupid trick. Second is, even though they call, phone won't be, we can't hear anything from their side, then they will disconnect after some time. Then they will send the email as, we tried calling you but you are not reachable. This kind of stupid statement, unable to connect. And even if they call, oh sorry sir, we don't have any information, we'll just check with our team. That's it. This only kind of statement from last 1 month I'm having. This is a stupid game they are doing. Okay, so we all should get group together and just show them the piece of shit on their face. So in return, not just money, our money plus interest amount and plus waste of time and harassment for this disturbance to common people, and they should stop selling this stupid product in India.